Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Want to learn how to make this colorful and refreshing quinoa salad? Keep watching. I will also show you how to cook quinoa perfectly every time. If you are a new visitor or haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. Let's get started. Heat some oil in a pan. I am cooking 1 cup of quinoa and I'll be using 2 cups of water. Let's add in the quinoa into the oil. Fry it on low heat. The quinoa will change its color and look slightly darker than they are now. Can you see a slight change in the color? Some of the seeds have popped and got flung out of the pan. Let's add in the water. Have you subscribed to my channel already? We'll bring it to a boil first. It's just like cooking rice. The ratio of quinoa to water is 1:2. You could add in a pinch of turmeric powder and season it with salt. Lower the heat. Cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. The 15 minutes are up. And the quinoa is done. Turn off the heat. Just cover it and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes before using it. Let's take a closer look. I'll just use a fork to fluff it up. So this is after the 5 minutes are over. Perfectly cooked quinoa. You will require red onions, yellow bell peppers, capsicum, tomatoes, cucumber, dried apricots, all cut into chunky pieces, some sprouts. I'm using red chickpea sprouts. You can use moong sprout or any other sprout that you have. A mix of beans and peas that have been soaked overnight and boiled. So I have here chickpeas, lobia or black-eyed bean, and white peas, cooked quinoa, and some salted peanuts. You can use any other nuts that you want. For the dressing, soak some tamarind in water and extract the pulp. We will also require some table salt, lemon, chopped green chilies, honey, mustard oil, chaat masala, black salt, roasted cumin powder, and the tamarind water. Add in the salt and the chopped chilies, the mustard oil, honey, chaat masala, cumin powder and the black salt. Squeeze of lemon. Squeezing the lemon activates the oil in it and that provides the flavoring. Time to mix it up. Use a whisk or a fork and mix it well till the oil and the water forms an emulsion. That looks good. Give it a taste. Tastes yummy. We can adjust the salt later. Let's put together the salad. Add in the onions, bell peppers, capsicum, tomatoes, cucumber. Add as much or as little as you want. It all depends on what taste you would like best. Some apricots, sprouts. I'm also adding in some boiled potatoes, which I had not listed in the ingredients. This is a chaat after all, so a salad chaat needs to have potatoes in them. The peanuts, the beans and peas, the cooked quinoa, toss it to mix all the ingredients well before adding the dressing. Just look at the colors. You could even call it a rainbow salad chaat if you like. So you could actually just mix this up, put it in an airtight box and refrigerate it until it's time for you to serve. Right before serving, drizzle some dressing on top. Give it another toss. Make sure to coat everything well with the dressing. And that's ready to plate. Use some salad leaves or cabbage leaves for decoration. Add in bed of quinoa. Serve it right on the bed. Make sure to get all the colors. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top. And serve it immediately. The quinoa chaat salad is ready. Serve it as a meal in itself or as a starter before a meal.